Hi everyone, myself Arjun, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Rogini College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari. Today we will discuss about waste stabilization pond. Waste stabilization pond are sanitation technologies that consist of open basins that use natural processes to treat domestic wastewater as well as animal or industrial wastes. They can be used in centralized or semi-centralized sewerage systems. They can also be used to treat fecal sludge from on-site dry sanitation systems or on-site water-based sanitation system serving a single building or home. The most common type of waste stabilization pond are anaerobic ponds, facultative ponds, maturation or polishing ponds, aerated ponds, and high rate algal ponds. Some pathogen removal is accomplished in anaerobic, facultative, aerated ponds, and high rate algal ponds, even though their primary function is to remove and stabilize the organic matter. The primary function of maturation and polishing ponds, however, is to remove and inactivate pathogens. Waste stabilization pond systems require large areas of open land, making them ideal in smaller towns and rural settings. Though they are used successfully in many urban environments as well as often in combination with other sanitation technologies. One of the biggest advantages of waste civilization pond is that they are easy and inexpensive to operate and maintain and generally do not rely on mechanized equipment or expensive material. Input and outputs for waste stabilization pond. Waste stabilization ponds can be used to treat a variety of water and waste streams. Thus, the inputs may include wastewater, septage, latrine contents, and or sludge from other wastewater treatment processes. Waste stabilization ponds may receive untreated wastewater that has gone through preliminary treatment, or they may receive secondary effluent from some other treatment process, such as anaerobic reactors, activated sludge, or trickling filter. The output from waste stabilization pond systems include the treated effluent and biogas. The treated liquid effluent from waste stabilization pond is often continuously discharged. However, operators some systems may stop discharging for months at a time, allowing the ponds fill up and discharging once the temperature gets warmer. Sludge removed from waste civilization pond is contaminated with pathogens and need to be safely managed or treated. Following are the factors affecting pathogens in waste civilization pond. Different factors affect different type of pathogens in different ways. The most important factor for the removal of viral and bacterial pathogens is sunlight exposure. Although other factors such as temperature, dissolved oxygen, and pH are also important. Sedimentation. Waste stabilization pond system have hydraulic retention times on the order of days, weeks, or even months. And this system adapted only in hot climatic regions, not adapted for frequently rainfall areas. Sedimentation is more effective in waste stabilization pond with less turbulence. Ponds should be designed to maintain quiescent conditions that approach laminar flow. Size and density of pathogens and particles determine their settling velocities. Bacteria and viruses will not settle in waste stabilization pond unless they are attached to larger, denser particles. Only a small percentage of viruses attached to the waste stabilization pond particles, and they mostly attached to particles that are too small to settle. And last factor, physical, chemical and microbiological factors. Most important physical chemical factors for pathogen inactivation are pH, temperature and dissolved oxygen in the presence of dissolved organic matter. Most bacterial pathogens are vulnerable to high pH. These are about the waste stabilization pond. Thank you.